Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while, but I'm here in the shop with the brand new HobbyWing Z-Run brushless combo. The XR8 Pro and the 1900kv motor. This box is just actually a work of art. I might just keep this on the shelf later on, but let's get to the unboxing, shall we? These new boxes. So here it comes in the package, the XR8 Pro speed control, 200 amps, and the 4268 1900 kilovolt motor. And for those of you that don't know, 42 is your can size. So those that have TLR XE Elite, 42 millimeter for your motor mount. Let's start with the XR8 Pro, which is the new hot item right now. I am so excited to get this thing into the XE8 XE Elite. You can see right off the get-go, this thing is just really nice. Let's see what they got. Alright, so in the package, you got your speed control, you got your battery leads, and it even comes with a little red marker indicating positive. Standard motor wires, looks like 12 gauge. Heat shrink tubing, and user manual. No stickers. Hold on. Oh, why for the stickers? Oh, I do anyway. So, in looking at this, same tried and true switch. I never had really any issues with this on my XR8 Plus. I do see that the switch is a little bit smaller in size than that of the XR8 Plus, which is fine. And it has a nice long lead to your receiver. And just looking at this, I can definitely tell this is all aluminum, all the way. And on the underside here, it's for 2 to 4S lipos, and the internal BEC can be set from 6 volts all the way up to 8.4 volts. Now, what I really love about this is they put all the soldering tabs on one side. Thank you. Somebody was listening. And then on here, you have your sensor wire port, fan, which is already plugged in, and this is for your programming card or your OTA programmer. Love that it comes with a little kind of a boot there to kind of protect the port, which is great. So kudos to you, HobbyWing. I guess I can't wait to try this thing out if my 8XE ever gets here. On to the next, the motor. I run strictly 1900kv motors. Even on Truggy, I don't think there needs to be any bigger than that. Some might. My personal preference though is 1900. So for my track, Gulf Coast Raceway in Port of Texas. Shout out to them. So the motor comes with more instructions, no stickers, and 2 sensor wires. One looks like maybe 6-inch, and the other one might be 8, possibly, yeah, 6 and 8. So that's great. So on here, definitely a lot of differences. Looks like there's more. So this is the Gen3 motor. I have a Gen2 in my e-Truggy currently, off to the left there. Looks like it has more fins on the can for more dissipated heat, as well as back here. Also, the tabs are set further inward on the can, whereas on the XR8 they're more out here. Also, I don't know if you can see that, but there's markings on the can indicating timing. I'm not going to really mess with that. I'd rather just do it from inside the OTA programmer if I need to, but general consensus is right now 0 timing. You can see on the end of the belt of the can, more recessed, more metal shaved off for weight savings and increased cooling capacity. Really nice motor, and I believe I saw a video somewhere where it was a few grams lighter than the XR8, the Gen 2, sorry. So definitely looking forward to this. One of the things that my gripe was with the speed control was really, it was lacking some features that some of the other others on the market had, like throttle frequency and brake frequency, things that to really fine-tune your vehicle to the track conditions. I know most people won't even dare touch it, but whatever little extra advantage that we can get, we'll take, right? So this is a quick little unboxing video. Looking forward to playing with the settings. And if anybody has any questions, as always, feel free to drop them in the comments. And other than that, you should see this in my 8X Elite, 8XE Elite very shortly. I do a little video on that too. So other than that, keep it rubber side down, and I'll see you in the next one.